Storms have hurt the Springfield community lately in more ways than you can imagine, and it may be hurting homeowners' pockets soon. Our David Chasanoff has more.
With the recent storms, there's going to be increases with homeowners insurance rates. Anytime there's storms that impact multiple people or insureds, there's always going to be an increase on rates next coming year.
Croley insurance broker Austin Hamlet says homeowners should expect to have their home insurance rates go up within the next year as more storms come to the area. But by exactly how much will it rise?
A good number would be 10% increase. It could be higher depending on how the rest of this season pans out.
Local weather forecasters say this summer will be full of all kinds of severe weather, so homeowners will likely see rates increase. Some people in Springfield have already received warnings about this potential change. One man is beyond irritated.
So when you get that little notice in the mail about, oh, you know, with the current weather we've been having, we're looking at your future possible damage to your home. We're going to raise your rates to this. So if it does happen, it's like, well, you don't know if that's going to happen to us.
But there's also people who could care less, as someone can't control every possible thing.
You have to deal with what's going on around you and compensate on your own part to make your life fit in with it, because you can't change the weather. If you can, let me know.
If and when home insurance rates go up, Hamlet has some beneficial advice.
Shop your insurance every year. One company may have higher rates the next year and one company may have lower rates. So it's always best to shop every year.
Well, one man who currently rents a home says that he's questioning if he should even buy a home. He's worried about the cost of storm damage.